Hello everyone, welcome to Flowmint's Lab. If you are facing issues connecting Airtable with n8n, this video will help you show out the correct way to add Airtable credentials step by step. First go to n8n and select the Airtable node. After that, you have to click on that and here select New Credentials. I have my credentials already, so I click Create New Credentials. Here you can see two options, Access Token and OAuth 2. You have to select Access Token. Next, open a new browser in the tab and you have to search Airtable Access Token. Now, you have to click on the first link. Now, you have to click on Scope Developer Documentation. Now you will redirect to Developers Web API Scopes. From here, you can see that you have two options, Personal Access Token and OAuth Access Token. As I already say, you have to select Personal Access Token. Now you will redirect to Developers Airtable. From here, you can see one option, Create Tokens. You have to click on that. Now you will have appear a new tab shows Create Token button. You have to click on that. From here, you can give any name, for example, Airtable test. You have to give scopes. Now there are multiple scopes, but you have to select only those scopes which are held by n8n. From here you can see that make sure you enable the following scopes for your token. First is data.record read. So we can copy and paste here and select this one. Similar for second one, data.record write. Now we again copy paste and select this one and similar thing for third one. Now the scopes are added. Now you have to grant the access from add a base. If you want to give the access to a specific base, you can select the base by creating previously. If you want to give all access to all workspace, then just select all current and future base in this workflow and hit create token button. Now the token is generated. From here, you can copy your access token and come to anytime and just paste your access token and click save. Now you can see connection tested successfully, means our token is right. You can also change the name of the node from here. For example, Airtable test. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment Airtable if you want more n8n tutorials like this.